Muna uchokozi sana hii, hamna. Sasa wewe unatuzuia. Tunaonekana? Kaleke. You know how to work out. Sinaona kama mnainama. Kaleke. After that I go first. Patia huyu. Yeah. Kaleke. Unaweza shika. Haya uone kwa. Unajua afadhali ukingwe. Na roho kwa afadhali ukingwe na mrembo. Afadhali ukingwe na mrembo. Sawa. Ndio jamaa. Afadhali you can go first. Yes, I can go first and then you finish. Lakini naongea Kiswahili. Sheki. Sawa. Ndio jamaa. Afadhali ukingwe na mrembo kuliko unajua na mwanaume mbele yako. Bana. Hivi. Okay. Na sisi tubaki hapa. Okay. Tumebaki hapa. Haya, tuambie mkiwa ready. Wako ready? Anza.
Today the United Democratic Alliance Party rebuttals of UDA, ODM statement yesterday. We feel compelled, though reluctantly, to respond to some unfortunate, unfounded, and grossly mistaken allegations that have been made by the ODM party. We would have easily ignored the opposition statements as another of those grudging and bitter sentiments they give when political tides are not flowing their way, except that they went to adversely accuse us, the UDA party, and members of the executive, that is CS Ezekiel Machogu, CS for Education, CS Alfred Mutua, CS for Tourism, and PS Raymond Omolo, PS for Interior, of gross allegations that we feel cannot go unchallenged. For a start, we are challenging the ODM party to substantiate the allegations, which on the face of things seems unfounded. The ODM sentiment is full of wild and unsubstantiated claims against 3 senior government officials. ODM is seeing enemies in the 3 where there are none. Indeed, we are urging the cabinet secretaries and PS Dr. Raymond Omolo to ignore these unusual ramblings from the ODM party and continue serving the public without fear or favor. The loud cry by the ODM party resonates well with their own characteristics, where they whine every time they feel threatened in their so-called political base. The Orange Democratic Party has outlived its usefulness in the country and especially in the larger Nyanza region, where the party has become virulent tyranny, only ardent at suppressing the will and wishes of the people of the region. The fight, or rather the fights among local ODM politicians witnessed lately in funerals in Migori and Kisii County and elsewhere in the Nyanza region is a creation of ODM's intolerance to any form of political competition, including internal contests within ODM itself. This has led to many of its members to opt to other friendly parties, with UDA party the biggest beneficiary of these rifts. Rather than address the internal tiffs resulting to mass exodus from their party, the typical ODM party has now turned around and wants to blame others. We are used to ODM as a party that never reflects on its piling electoral losses, but is forever quick to scapegoat its failures to manufactured enemies. We have noted ODM's penchant for attacking civil servants, particularly from the Nyanza region communities, that is the Luos, Kisis, and Kurias. The higher the position of the civil servant, the more virulent the attacks. This must come to an immediate stop. On accusations that the government is using state power to destabilize ODM-run counties, nothing can be further from the truth. In reality, ODM counties are being mismanaged by corrupt, incompetent, and inept governors who are getting full protection from the ODM party itself. We will be providing evidence of how ODM governors have been withdrawing funds from county coffers to fund private political activities of their party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga.